Hi, welcome to a video of me removing the subframe out of the Jag xk8. Removing the subframe due to rust on the near side, offside front. I'll show you the impact of it. If I can get down in there. The main bit of rust is just behind this bit of subframe. Yeah, just like that. Hopefully in today's video I'm just going to get off the both front hubs, both front hub assemblies, hubs, hopefully the shock absorber bolts, and I might show you what other bolts need down underneath. This is steering rack and just radiator support. Haynes recommends only 2 or 4 hours for it, so it shouldn't be a big job. Just the intimidating one to some people. I hope I'm going to show you how straightforward it should be. If I can get my light. I can put this down somewhere. As you can see, there should be subframe steering rack bolts. Hopefully on the front, plastic trim. There's a bolt behind, I believe, is it there? A bolt up in that area. He's undoing, and just the hub areas. Hub assemblies and obviously engine mount bolts, which I believe are up in this hole here. I think it's just a nut. I haven't actually looked, but I looked on the line up what they look like, and I believe it's just a nut. Now in case you didn't know how to get these hubs off, it's just ABS wire, these 2 ball joints, and obviously just the carrier bolts and the whole brake. The tools I'll be using will be the Astro Wobbly 3/8 set. Absolutely awesome sockets to get. I've actually got 2 pairs of these, this one and one I have for work, and so I'll bloody much rate them. I'm using my air stubby. I should be able to do it, maybe not the shock absorber, but we'll find out when we get there. Actually, the 2 tools I need to get this hub bolts off, and I'm using the air hammer to then knock the ball joints. I may be able to use a normal hammer to do it, but I forgot it today. Hopefully you can be roughly seen what I need to do. I've had these hubs before. I've changed the wheel bearings plenty of times. They are that main none there. The main, I'll show you how to get it off, but I've had these off before, so they should come off quite easily. Size difference is loop. Size 17. Sweet. Sweet. Oh, okay, yeah. And then next, let's get the fat rod end. I believe I don't need to do the anti-roll bar link because of, I believe it's attached to the subframe itself. And obviously these arms are attached as well, so it should all should be all attached to itself really, I believe. Yeah, the rear near side wheel bearing, I've done that one 3 times. I have. Yeah, I'll have to let the air system hook to recharge. Or just get some ratchet. Well, if anyone's looking to get an air system, I advise getting something like this. That's a 24 litre, that's a 50 litre, there's the brand, which is off Amazon. There's an air reservoir, 70 litre, 75 litre, not too sure. But yeah, it turned up to 9 bar. 9 bar in the compressors, 8 bar into there, and then gives around 110 to 90 psi out of the line, depending on what's being used. About £500, worth every penny, all in, lines, fittings, everything. So really, really good system. I advise anyone to do it. Time to see if the air hammer's got the balls to knock those ball joints. Hopefully it should do. Fucking hell. That sounds beefy, doesn't it? There's one. And loads of crap on my face. Alright, you're never going to change your wheel bearing in one of these Jaguars, well, this hub style. These nuts, yes they are a nut, there's thread underneath all those dots, those split pin, like locking nuts. They are ridiculously tight, like easily one of the tightest nuts you've ever come across in your life for a car. It's a 3/4 inch socket adapted to go on there. Like a 3/4, like the bolt, the nut you get, the socket, and then a 3/4 inch bar with like a 3-foot pole in a vise, and you'll be struggling to get that off. Heat as well. Even though you shouldn't really heat it up, there's a knacker bearing you can change it anyway. They are ridiculous. Yeah, at least it's one side done. Hopefully I can repeat the same to the other side. Alright, got the hub out, finally. I've done that carrier bolt. Must have been fucking pissed when I was on it, it was tight. But I don't know if I showed the rust yet. Yeah, there's some rust there. See, like bits of bits are missing up there, up the thing. Like the first layer where it has all the sealant on, the wax, it's gone. And then there's a bit, hopefully I can kind of, just behind the subframe. Hopefully that will focus in a second. Either way I believe it can be seen. Yeah, they rust just behind there. I only found one person online that was in a sales of a car, and he mentioned about rust behind here. I don't know why it's this side, but may not be. I'm going to check this bush in a second. Alright, that might be it for this today. Or at least this part of the video. I was having a break and type from this mess. This turned a bit of a shit tip. So yeah, cheers for watching this part, if I do make it a part, but Yeah, maybe like an hour's work, so another hour to do the other bit.